Hey guys, this is Dr. Herb. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the viruses, and this is with the helical symmetry. And to begin with, the arena virus. So it includes the mnemonic is ABC. So A for arena, and then from B for Banya, C for corona. Next there is FAR, that is filovirus. So it includes filovirus, then others it includes orthovirus, orthomyxovirus, then comes the rhabdovirus and the paramyxovirus. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.